Good morning, everyone. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. With great respect and regard, respected Principal Ma'am, hard-working teachers, and my dear schoolmates, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful morning. My name is Riyansh. I am Manroop from class 2D. We are going to host today's morning assembly. Let us start our day with the blessings of the Almighty. I request all of you to please join your hands, close your eyes and start with the prayers.